Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have a Hot Wheels monster truck Mega-Wrex Twisted Tredz. It's a car toy made by Mattel Corporation. Recommended age 3 and plus. On the back we see this set has 4 different pieces. And made in China as usual. Looks really cool. Looks like some kind of dragon. And it has a big blue wheels. Nice. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. Be careful with the knives. Don't hurt yourself. Very good. Oh, look at that. What do we get? It's not coming out. What's happening? I think I have to open the bottom as well. Let's see. Damn, why do they make this packaging so complicated? It's too complicated. Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. I don't know what to do. Okay, I figured it out. So you have to take this out. And there's some lock here. What is this lock here? There's like more tape. Like this is like IQ test. Open this. Take this tape out. Very good. And now you can twist it. I don't know what's happening. How do you open this? Does it come out now? No idea. Yeah, minus points for packaging already. Like, this is crazy. Okay, now it should be open. It doesn't come out. How does it come out? It's open. What the hell? I'm just gonna rip the entire packaging, like, screw this. It's a shame. It's a shame I had to rip the entire packaging. Okay, so how does this work now? How does it come out? Okay, I got it out, finally. That took me like almost 5 minutes to figure it out. But the car itself looks really cool. Look at this. The wheels, they feel really good. They're spinning well. And the build quality seems to be good as well. Even though it's made in China, it seems to be built really well. It's hard plastic. It's not like cheap plastic. Everything feels true to. This is like ready for action. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that didn't go as far as I expected. Let's try again. I think you have to gather the speed. Yeah, on the flat surface, it's going like not so great, because these are like for hard surface. So let's try with the matte. Let's see. Yeah, much better. Look how far they're going. On the matte, it's really good. Like, look at this. You get the speed. Holy shit, it's going far. This toy is really nice. So, Mattel Hot Wheels monster trucks. I gotta say, the toy itself, I think it's cheap, 15 euros. Kids will have fun playing with this. But the packaging, it's minus points. I don't like this packaging. They did something wrong here. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next review. Thank you.